These notes might look like they took ages to sketch, but that's not the case. No tablet, no stylus, and no drawing talent needed. I created them in just a few seconds using Gemini. Let me walk you through how you can make your own for free. It's actually very easy and only takes 2 simple steps. Step 1. Go to Google Gemini. To get the best results, you need to give the AI the right input. Start by using a clear prompt. The one on your screen is a good example. Just replace the bracketed parts with your own details, like the climate change topic you want to explain and who the notes are for, students, beginners, etc. If you want even more accurate and detailed output, upload your own material, like a PDF on climate change, into Gemini first, then run the prompt. This ensures the notes are based exactly on your content. Once Gemini generates the text, that's where things get interesting. Now we'll convert that information into handwritten-style notes. In the same chat, turn on Gemini's image generation feature. Then enter another prompt asking it to create a notebook-style infographic in a vertical 9:16 format designed like handwritten notes based on the climate change content you just created. Run it and wait a few seconds. You'll get clean, visually appealing notes almost instantly. If something looks off, like a mistake or an extra section, just tell the AI what to fix and it will update it for you. Prefer a landscape layout? Just change the aspect ratio in your prompt from 9:16 to 16:9. You might be wondering if this also works with ChatGPT. It does. The results are usually quite good, although sometimes the visuals may feel slightly less natural compared to Gemini. Still, both options work well, so go with whichever tool you like. And remember, what you've seen here is only a small part of what Gemini can do. Most users barely tap into its full potential. I've actually built a simple 3-step system using AI tools like this to manage my daily tasks more efficiently without feeling overwhelmed. If you want to explore that complete system, check out the next video. See you there. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.